I got a dupe right here. If you are a fan of Disney World's Animal Kingdom Lodge, or I think they sell that Animal Kingdom Park at some of the restaurants there. If you are a fan of their POG juice, this right here is the dupe. This is not sponsored. It could be. The brand is Giving. It's an organic tropical fruit juice, 100% fruit juice, apple juice, organic apple juice, organic orange juice, organic guava, organic apricot puree, organic pineapple juice, organic passion fruit. That's literally POG juice. I hate guava. My taste buds have matured over the years, so I'm getting better with guava. So that's why I don't drink POG juice on a regular, but from what I can remember, this tastes just like it. Dan has tried it as well, and he thinks it tastes like POG juice. So if you want POG juice at home and you can't fly or drive to Animal Kingdom Lodge or Animal Kingdom to get your POG juice, this right here is the dupe. Don't say I never put you on something.